Introducing the new commercial fire alarm system from Hispec, 2CAS, the 2-wire conventional alarm system. The 2CAS panel is a single-loop 2-wire conventional alarm panel with the ability to soft address devices in smaller installations. 2CAS uses MK2 protocol, so can run any of our addressable devices. Detectors, call points, interfaces and sounders can all be connected to the same addressable loop. Designed with precision and expertise, our system is built to exceed industry standards, meeting the rigorous requirements of BS 58391 and BSEN 54. With soft addressable technology, pinpointing triggers and faults has never been easier. Our system streamlines identification and resolution, ensuring optimal safety and efficiency. From multiple occupancy housing to large commercial spaces, our system adapts to meet the unique needs of any environment. Whether it's a new installation or retrofitting existing infrastructure, our system offers unparalleled flexibility and ease of integration. The 2CAS single loop panel allows the system to be wired as a 2, 4 or 8 radial circuit. With our sandwich sounder device, enhancing sound coverage is simple and cost-effective, ensuring comprehensive alerting without added complexity. Whether it's safeguarding lives or protecting property, our system is tailored to meet your specific needs. Choose from a range of configurations to suit your requirements. Experience the future of fire safety with Hispec's 2-wire conventional alarm system. Contact us today to learn more and secure your peace of mind. Your safety protected.